welcome to my channel. I am North Glacier, and you can just call me North. And my channel is Life of North. This is going to be a vlogging channel, and we're going to start out my channel with a scientific series on the channel, which is the Life of North experiments. So today we're going to start out with a tactic in refining that scientists use known as electrolysis. So today we're gonna use electrolysis to separate water molecules, and you probably know that the equation for water molecules is H2O, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atom combined. And so we're gonna separate the atoms from the molecule, which will transform the water into hydrogen oxygen bubbles from the water. And so what we're going to use is we need a jar of tap water, which is going to be in here. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
So this is going to be filled with tap water, aka faucet water, which we are going to use from the faucet over there. If you look in the background, you'll see a little sink over there, and that black thing is a faucet. And we're going to fill this up, and we also have 2 pencils sharpened at both ends, which we are going to connect to a 9-volt battery, over here. And so we're going to use these to connect to wires. And the reason why we're using pencils is because of the lead. Because did you know that pencil lead goes all through completely from one end of the pencil to the other? The pencil lead is actually graphite, because graphite is an extremely great conductor of electricity, because we need electricity for this, because that's what electrolysis is. You see, because electrolysis uses electricity. We have filled up the jar with tap water, and now we will use these things to connect with connect these to the pencil and to the wire. So the wires and the pencils will be connected with these things. And also, as you can see, Daddy is putting the pencils inside the jar, and that is to support the pencils. So now these are connected, and I can connect the battery. So now I will connect these to the battery. Alright, now they are connected, and now observe. The bubbles will form. Okay. I don't see anything. Nothing's happening.
Nope. Alright. So let's see if we can figure out why.
Actually, we were wrong. It actually is working. So watch. I'm just gonna get this. See, the bubbles are forming. So the hydrogen is positive and the oxygen is negative. So you may notice that there's more bubbles on the negative pencil than the positive, because there's more positive hydrogen attracted to the negative, which is why there's twice as many bubbles on the negative pencil than the positive. And that's how the bubbles form. Well, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, slap the bell, and comment down below, and also share. Share this video with your friends, and peace